In today's world, homeowners and businesses are increasingly prioritizing sustainability when making construction and renovation decisions. Windows, a vital component of any structure, play a crucial role in energy efficiency, environmental impact, and long-term cost savings. BGV Construction has embraced the challenge of creating eco-friendly and sustainable window solutions that not only enhance a building's aesthetics but also contribute to a greener planet. Commitment to sustainability. At BGV Construction, sustainability isn't just a buzzword. It's a guiding principle that influences every stage of window design, manufacturing, and installation. The company focuses on reducing environmental impact by using responsibly sourced materials, energy-efficient designs, and advanced manufacturing processes that minimize waste. Their sustainable approach ensures that customers get high-quality, durable windows while reducing their carbon footprint. Eco-friendly materials. BGV Construction carefully selects materials that are both sustainable and high-performing. Some key materials used in their eco-friendly windows include recycled and sustainable wood. Instead of relying on newly harvested timber, BGV Construction incorporates wood from responsibly managed forests and uses recycled wood components where possible. This reduces deforestation while maintaining the classic appeal of wooden window frames. Energy-efficient glass. Their windows feature low emissivity glass that minimizes heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. This helps regulate indoor temperatures naturally, reducing the need for excessive heating or air conditioning. Recycled vinyl and aluminum. BGV Construction utilizes recycled materials in their vinyl and aluminum window frames, cutting down on landfill waste while ensuring durability and longevity. Non-toxic sealants and coatings. Many traditional windows contain harmful chemicals in their finishes. BGV Construction uses low VOC, volatile organic compounds, sealants and coatings, ensuring cleaner indoor air quality and a safer home environment. Energy efficiency at its core. One of the most significant benefits of BGV Construction's eco-friendly windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. By reducing energy consumption, these windows help homeowners lower utility bills and contribute to a more sustainable future. Features that enhance energy efficiency include double and triple pane glass. These multi-layered glass designs provide better insulation, keeping homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Gas-filled windows. Many of BGV Construction's windows are filled with argon or krypton gas between panes, further enhancing insulation and reducing energy costs. Smart window technologies. Some models feature electrochromic or self-tinting glass, which adjusts based on sunlight intensity, reducing the need for blinds and artificial lighting. Reducing carbon footprint. BGV Construction is dedicated to minimizing its environmental impact. They achieve this by using renewable energy in manufacturing. Their production facilities utilize solar and wind energy, lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Waste reduction initiatives. The company recycles glass, metal, and wood scraps from manufacturing, diverting waste from landfills. Offering window retrofitting services. Instead of complete replacements, BGV Construction provides retrofitting options to upgrade existing windows with energy-efficient features, reducing material waste. Longevity and low maintenance. Sustainability isn't just about materials, it's also about longevity. BGV Construction designs its windows to last longer, reducing the frequency of replacements and conserving resources. Their windows are engineered for durability, requiring minimal maintenance while resisting common issues such as warping, cracking, and fading. Aesthetic appeal without compromise. While eco-friendly solutions often come with concerns about limited design choices, BGV Construction offers a wide range of stylish, modern, and classic window designs. Customers can choose from various frame materials, colors, and finishes that suit their architectural preferences without sacrificing sustainability. Customer-centric approach. BGV Construction believes that sustainable windows should be accessible to everyone. They offer consultations to help homeowners and businesses select the best eco-friendly window options based on their budget, energy goals, and aesthetic preferences. By educating customers on the benefits of sustainable choices, BGV Construction empowers them to make informed decisions that align with both their financial and environmental goals. Conclusion. As the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly home improvements continues to grow, BGV Construction remains at the forefront of innovation in window technology. Their commitment to using recycled materials, energy-efficient designs, and responsible manufacturing practices makes them a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact. By choosing BGV Construction's eco-friendly windows, customers not only enhance the beauty and efficiency of their homes but also contribute to a more sustainable future for generations to come.